In the name of Almighty Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Welcome to Hardia, Natural Health Sciences. In today's video, I will tell you about the treatment of hepatitis and respiratory diseases with black muesli. Take black muesli leaves for respiratory diseases and boil it well in water to make a decoction and store it in a container. Use 30 milliliters of this decoction only once a day. Inshallah, respiratory diseases and asthma will be eradicated within 2 weeks. If we talk about the treatment of hepatitis, its treatment is also very easy. But we always believe in allopathic medicine. If hepatitis patients use this prescription, I can say with sure that the black and yellow hepatitis will disappear completely. For this treatment, take black muslin roots and dry it in the shade. Finely grind these dry roots to make a powder. And only once a day, take 5 grams of this powder with warm water or milk. Inshallah, black and yellow hepatitis will disappear within 3 weeks. I hope you enjoyed my today video. I will be back in the next video with a new formula. Allah Hafiz.